Hello, ciao ciao. Hello, welcome to my page. I'm Mr. Godfrey, and today, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be looking at simultaneous equation. We know that simultaneous equation has to do with equation with two or more unknowns, two or three unknowns. So today, this topic will be useful for those in year 9 and above. Now let's take the first equation and see what happened. 4x, we have minus 3y equals minus 22. Okay, that is equation 1. Then the next one is 5x, okay, plus 3y equals 40. Is equation what? Equation 2. Now, one thing you must understand, simultaneous equation can be solved with the following method: elimination. Elimination method. We have what we call substitution. Substitution method. Okay, then we have what we call graph. Okay, the graphical method. So, but out of these, elimination method is the easiest. So I'll just use elimination method today. Now, how do we use this? Look at the coefficient of x and y in the two equations. What is coefficient? Coefficient is simply a number attached to a letter. So what do I mean? 4x. What is the coefficient of x? Is 4. Minus 3y. What is the coefficient of y? Is minus 3. So look at where they have the same coefficient. 3 means minus 3 and 3. They are the same number but different sign. So now you rule your line and you think of what to do. Some students will say, our teacher said, when they are the same sign, you subtract. When they are different sign, you do what? You add. And this is going to work here. Okay? But most times I tell children, if you have minus 3 and you have plus 3, think of what you will do. What will you put in the box to make them 0? So if I put what? If I put plus, minus 3 plus 3 means minus 3 plus 3, it will give me 0. So you see the same thing, I am going to be adding when I add this. So let us see what happens. 4x plus 9x will give me 4x plus 5x will give me 9x. Minus 2y plus 3y will give me 0. Equals minus 22 plus 40. That will give me 18. So can you see? So I have 9x equals 18. So what do I do now to get my x? I will divide by 9. Divide by 9. This will cross out. 9 here 1. 9 here 2. My x equals 2. Can you see that? X equals 2. Now, when x equals 2, what do? Put x equals 2 into any of these equations. So what do? Put x equals 2 into, let's take equation 1. You can choose equation 2 and see if you're correct. Now, let's write equation 1. 4x, what do I have? Minus 3y equals minus 22. So what do here? Anywhere you see x, put 2. So I have 4 bracket 2 minus 3y equals minus 22. So 4 times 2 will give us 8 minus 3y equals minus 22. So transpose this 8 to the other side, it becomes a negative. So I have minus 3y equals minus 22 minus 8. Minus 3y equals minus 30. What do? Divide by minus 3. So minus 3, this will cross out, this will cross out. What do I have? Our y equals 10. Minus 3, minus 30 divided by minus 3 will give us plus 10. Let's check. X equals 2. So 4 times 2 will give us 8. Minus x equals what? 10. 4 times 10, 3 times 10 will give me 30. 8 minus 30 is minus 22. That works. See that? Now, that is where you have what? Same coefficient. What if they are different coefficients? What will you do? Let's check. Now, another equation. Let's see another equation where they have different coefficients. Now, I have 5x minus 2y equals what? Equals 19. Did you see what I mean? 19. So I have the second equation. 2x and minus 3y equals what? Equals 1. Okay, now let us move. Now I have this as my equation 1, equation 2. Now if you look at your equation 1 and equation 2, they don't have the same coefficient. None. Look at the 5, look at the 2. Look at minus 2 and minus 3. So what do? Try and make any of the one you wish to eliminate, make them the same coefficient. So which one do you guys want us to eliminate? Is it x to eliminate first or y? Okay, let me choose my x. Let me choose x to eliminate. If you want me to do that, so let me eliminate x. So in that case, I will use the 2 in equation, the 2 in this x here, to multiply everything here, and the 5 here to multiply everything here. So move your line. 2 times 5 will give me 10x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4y. Equals 2 times 19, the big one, is what? 38. So we have 38. Now, 5 times 2 will give me 10x. 5 times this will give me minus 15 what? Y. 5 times 1 will give me 5. Now, do your line. The x's are the same coefficient. So what do? 10x and 10x. How do I eliminate? Put your minus, subtract. 10x minus 10x will give me 0. Now, minus 4y minus 15y will give me minus 4y plus 15y. That will give me 11. 11y equals 38. Take away 5 will give me 33. Well, back to where we are. What do? Divide by 11. So divide by 11, divide by 11. Y equals 3. So when y equals 3, put y equals 3 into either equation 1 or equation 2. Which one do we use? Let's use equation 2 this time. The first one was equation 1. Let's use equation 2. Now put y equals 3 into what? Into equation 2. See equation 2 here? 2x minus 3y equals 1. Anywhere you see y, put what? 3. Put 3. Now, 2x minus 3 bracket 3 equals 1. 3 times 3 is what? 9. So what do? 2x minus 9 equals 1. Transpose minus 9 to join this. 2x equals 1 plus 9. 2x equals 10. Divide by what? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. What do I have? X equals 5. So my x equals 5 when y equals 3. Let's check. X equals 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Minus y equals 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 25 minus 6 will give us what? 19. It's a correct equation. You see that? Let's take the next example. When there are 3 unknown, when we have 3 unknown in simultaneous equation, what do? Let's take the question. 3x plus 2y. What else? Minus the z. Letter z is now involved. Letter z is involved. Next one is 2x. Okay? Minus 3y. Okay? Plus the z equals what? Equals 7. What is the next one? This is 5x plus y minus 2z equals what? Equals 12. And you ask me, why 3 equations? Because there are 3 unknown. X, Y, Z. 2 unknown, X, Y, 2 equations. 3 unknown, X, Y, Z. Okay? Let's see what happens. Now, what do? Pick 2 equations. Eliminate 1. Pick another 2. Eliminate 1. Bring together. Solve. Simultaneously. Papa. Let's move. 2. Let's pick this one. 3x plus 2y minus z equals 11. Equation 1. Pick equation 2. 2x minus 3y plus z equals 7. Now, I need to eliminate at least one of the letters. Yes, one letter. Let me eliminate one. Now, what am I going to eliminate? See my z and this z. They are same coefficient. So what do? Just eliminate. Okay, so what do I do here now? Minus z and plus z. What do to eliminate them? I am going to simply do what? Add. So when I put my addition here, 3x plus 2x will give me 5x. Then 2y plus minus 3y, don't forget is 2y plus minus 3y will give me 2y minus 3y will give me minus y. Then minus z plus z will give us 0. And we have 11 plus 7. That will give us 18. Hope you guys can see that now. That will give us what? That will give us 18. So 5y, call this equation 1 proper. That's my equation 1. Rule the line. Pick equation 1 and equation 3. You can pick equation 2 and equation 3. Anyone. Still eliminate the z again. because you need it to get this x and y. So I'm taking equation this 3x plus 2y minus z equals 11. Pick equation 3 now. 5x plus y minus 2z equals 12. Now, I need to eliminate z because equation 1 and 2 that I picked, I eliminated z. I have x and y. I need to bring it together so I can solve it simultaneously. So look at the z here, oh, it is minus 2. So what do? I need to make the z here to be 2 so that I can eliminate, oh, did you hear that now? Okay, let us see what happened here. So just use the 1 here to multiply this as 1, this to multiply this as 2. So what do? 2 times 3 will give me 6x, 2 times 2 will give me plus 4y, 2 times minus z is minus 2z equals 2 times 11 is 22. What's the next? 1 times 5x is 5x. 1 times plus y will give me plus y. 1 times minus 2z is minus 2z equals 1 times 12 will give me 12. Now watch what is happening here now. 6x minus 5. No, just say, okay, what are you minusing? Let us check. This is minus 2z. Minus 2z. What do? Subtract. So subtract here. 6x minus 5x will give me x. Now 4y minus plus y will give me what? Plus 3y. But we can see that to ask 4y minus y. Then this minus 2z minus 2z will give me minus 2z plus z will give me 0 equals 22 minus 12 will give me 10. Call this equation 2 proper. Now bring your equation 1 proper and equation 2 proper together so we can solve them to get what we are looking for. So let's take the note. Just note this because I'm coming back to this to get my z. But first now, let me use this, my equation 1 proper, 5x minus y equals what? 18. Equation 1 proper, and the next one is what? X plus 3y equals what? 10. Equation 2 proper. Now, the same thing, I am going to solve by elimination method. Now, which one do we eliminate? Help me. Which one do we eliminate? Okay, let us see. Let's eliminate our y. Okay, so it's a lie. This man knows what to do. Let us use x. Why not x? Okay, let us eliminate x. Let's eliminate x. You are saying x, let's eliminate x. Okay, how do I eliminate x? See the 5 here, and this is 1. Now the same rule, so what do? Use the 1 here, multiply this by 1. Use the 5 here, times this by what? By 5. Right, let's multiply. 1 times 5 is 5x. 1 times y is minus y. 1 times 18 equals 18. Having done that, hope you are following me. Are you seeing me? 5 times this will give me 5x. 5 times this will give me plus 15y equals 5 times this will give me what? 50. Okay, let us do. Hence the two of them, they are what? Like the same. So what do we do now? Eliminate. 5x will give me what? 0. Minus y. Oh yeah, follow me now. Minus y. Minus plus 15y minus 16y equals. Oh yeah, now follow me now. This is what? 18 minus 50. What do we do? What is 18? Take away 50 now. You should follow me. Let me do it. So that is what? Minus 32. Hope you know that it's minus 32. So what do I do now to get my what? To get my y? Divide both sides by minus 16. So divide by minus 16. Y over minus 16 equals minus 32 over minus 16. This will cancel. This will cancel. Give us 2. Y equals 2. Hey, can you see? After all the wahala. After all the go, after everything we have done, y equals what? Y equals 2. Can you see the stress? That is not good. Now let's go. Let's move. Put y equals 2 into any of these equation 1 or 2 proper. So put y equals 2 into equation 1. Let's be it's a lie. This man. Why not equation 2? Let's use equation 2 now. Yeah, let's use equation 2. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's equation 2. X plus 3y equals 10. Anywhere you see y, put 2. So x plus 3 bracket 2 equals 10. So what do? X plus 3 times 2 will give me 6 equals 10. So x equals, transpose this, 10 minus 6, x equals 4. Good. So my x equals 4. You see that again? So put your x and y into that your first equation or second or third, any one. So now come on. So, hold that with me, follow. Now next one, what to do? Put x equals 4, y equals what? 2 into equation. Let's pick equation 1, equation 2, and 1, and that was where we have our 3x plus 2y, okay? Minus the z equals 11. Don't forget this is a z, okay? Now what do we do? Anywhere you see x, you put 4. So I have 3 bracket 4 plus 2 bracket 2 minus z equals 11. 3 times 4 will give me 12. Minus this will give me 4. Minus z equals 11. 12 plus this will give me 16 now. 16 minus z equals 11. Now what do? Transpose your 16 to the other side. Minus z equals 11 minus what? 16. Minus z equals minus 5. What do? The minus will cancel minus. Why is the minus cancelling minus? You can multiply both sides by minus 1. You get positive. So that's why I said minus cancel minus. So our z, this will cancel our z equals, this is 5, sorry, equals 5. So what do we do for this 3? This simultaneous equation with 3 unknown. It is what? X equals 4, y equals 2, z equals 5. And you test, Mr. Godfrey, are you sure you are right? Let's check. What is the equation here? 3x, okay? 3x, right? 3x. What is our x? 3 times 4. 12. Plus, what's our y? 2 times 2 will give me 4. Minus z. What is the minus z? Minus z is what? Z is minus 5. Let's see. Do we get 11? 12 plus 4 is what? 16. 16 minus 5 is what? 11. We got them right. We got it right. So that's simultaneous equation with 3 unknown. So I've given you 2 unknown and 3 unknown, all by what? Elimination method. I hope you enjoyed this class. You can hit me on the comment section if you have any opinion. But I believe teaching should be fun. Teaching can be fun. I'm Mr. Godfrey. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.